Hello students, welcome back in a new session.
Today in this session, we will discuss about assignment operators. What is assignment operators? It assigns the value to a variable. For example, a equals to 100. So here value 100 is assigned to a variable a. To implement the assignment operator, there is two rules. Accept two integer numbers from the user side, then after perform all arithmetic operations on given data. How? Here we have an example. So these are two input variables. A equals to input of enter first integer, and B equals to input of enter second integer. I want to explain here that why I am writing here int and input like this. So as we know that variable takes string value in the Python. So to convert any number as a string into the integer, we have to convert the string into the integer number. That's why we have to use here int keyword. So through this keyword, the string will convert into the integer number. So here we are just getting the two inputs values from the user side. Then after we just print the arithmetic value and we apply the arithmetic operators on these two variables. Here we have print method, which is used to display the string as well as the resultant value of A and B operands. So here this will print addition of A and B is equals to A plus B. Same like subtraction of A and B is equals to A minus B. Multiplication of A and B equals to A into B. Division of A and B equals to A upon B. Floor division of A and B is equals to A double slash B. Modulation of A and B equals to A% B, and power of A and B equals to A double asterisk B. Now let's move on to the real environment. So this is the real environment, that is the shell interface. So to write up these statements, we have to move to the batch mode from the interactive mode, that is the interactive mode. As we have discussed about the interactive mode and batch modes, so where we should use the batch mode and where we should use interactive mode. So let's move here. When we click on this file and new file, we will got the batch mode. Here we have. Now we write the program. Here we have written this program. These two are the input variables, input statement, to which we are accepting two values from the user side. Then after we are just printing the arithmetic operators. So now we look at the output. So we click on the run module here. Now I did not save this program, that's why it is showing this message. So we will save the program. So we have saved this program. Now it is giving some error. So this is the output. This output, first the user will enter first integer, that is suppose 100 or maybe 10, 20. Okay, and second integer that would be 10. Then after we got the resultant value. Here we got the addition of 20 and 10, 30, subtraction of 20 and 10, 10, multiplication of 20 and 10, 200, division of 20 and 10, 2.0, floor division of 20 and 10, 2, modulation of 20 and 10, 0, and power of 20 and 10, that 102400, something like this. So that was the some implementation in real environment of arithmetic and assignment operators. Here we use assignment equal operator with operands and some arithmetic operators like plus, minus, multiplication, division, like that.
I hope you got some valuable information from this video. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day. Thank you.